Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dingbo Power. When there is a sudden power outage, how to quickly obtain stable and powerful 400 kilowatt power support. This silent DC generator set will tell you the answer. This is a 400 kilowatt Cummins DC generator set. Electronic control unit, 6 cylinders, 4-stroke. Comprehensively improved the intake system and cooling system, enhancing the reliability and stability of the product. This generator set can meet the G3 power station level. The controller has closed remote control function. You can remote control and monitor generator set by app, one computer or mobile phone anytime and anywhere.